Hello, this is William from MyFavorite Ninjas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a back fold or 360 back fold. Pause it. See what you want to do for a back 360 or back fold, or just a fold you can call it. You want to jump up, get some height. You want to know how to do a backflip like this. You want to know how to do it in like this. Or back fold or half, and after that it's the same thing as a back half. So you throw slightly here, but instead of stopping on your back, you completely go the whole way and try to land on your knees or feet, and you just hold it until you spin the whole thing. So you need to know how to do probably at least, I would say, 2 of these to get the spin for it. And then you want to jump up, roll here, and then so up and here if you want, or here. So whatever is tucked in and it's not like that. Catch the air. And you want to really drill through here. You don't want to go like this, otherwise you won't spin. Look. Could do a fold of that. That'd be much harder. So you want to jump up and throw here, then and you just hold it until you go to the left like this. Up, this. You can also tuck like this, kind of like this. You don't want to be completely straight, otherwise you won't get the rotation back foot. So I'm gonna go like this probably, like most people do. It comes naturally. And so, like I said, throw your arms up here, and then tuck. And that's how to do a full tutorial.